Okay, so now we're going to automate it a little bit more, and we're going to include over here the expected result. Of course, that means that we would be changing the function a little bit. You see the same thing over here. We need to include that as one of the parameters. And then over here we're also going to put in an if-else. If the expected value that we get over here for the specific case is the same thing as the fees that are calculated, then we just put over here the total charges and maybe a line that it's correct. If it's not correct, your total charges is what over here the program would give you, and then you say it's incorrect and I expected something else. Of course, you would also have to include the expected results over here for each test that you run. But you only have to include this once instead of having to double check the output each time that you run the program, the test program, like we saw in the first version. So when we run this one here, you'll see that we get the 3 tests. They're all correct. This is first the output as it comes from the function, and then that it's correct. If we would change any of these numbers, like I'm just going to change the senior rate here, and now I'm going to run this. The first 2 are correct, and then over here this is incorrect. I expected 4,000, which is of course a little bit high for a couple of months membership for a senior. And this is what it actually gave. This is the actual result, and this is the expected result. So a little bit of a different approach, a little bit more automated.